AI gatherer. The chicken dreams of endless grain, but pecking the ground is boring, slow, and hurts the beak. The chicken wants progress. The rooster invented the AI gatherer. The AI gatherer will find all the grain itself. Chickens no longer need to work. For the AI gatherer to work, the chickens must pay the rooster. The more money, the better. The chickens agree. Chickens believe in the AI gatherer and continue to pay. Negative return, ROI. But the AI gatherer is not that strong yet. It needs to be improved. The inventor rooster told the investor roosters how good the AI gatherer is. Because of the hype, investors feel FOMO, the fear of missing out. Investor roosters believe that the AI gatherer will multiply their wealth, and they pour in a huge amount of resources. The price of the AI gatherer grows. Investors invest even more. The inventor rooster brags about investments worth trillions of dollars. The whole chicken coop is excited by the numbers. But the AI gatherer brings in less than 1% of revenue. The inventor rooster claims, "We need more resources. We need more money." Everyone thinks that soon the AI gatherer will become a god. Chickens continue to pay, calling it an investment in the future. They don't understand. An investment without profit is just a donation into someone else's pocket. The AI gatherer consumes mountains of resources, but gives very little in return.
Circular financing.
Where do investors get so much money? They sell the parts for the AI gatherer themselves. The scheme is simple. Investor roosters lend money to the inventor. The inventor immediately returns this money to the investors to buy video cards for the machine. The money just moves in a circle. There is no more real capital in the chicken coop, but on paper, everyone looks rich. This is circular financing. While money flies between the roosters, the chickens' troughs remain empty. The chickens look into the emptiness, but celebrate the market cap growth chart. Infrastructure and resource costs. The AI gatherer is getting bigger and bigger. It heats up and consumes resources. To keep the monster from burning, a lot of water is needed. The inventor rooster takes water from the chicken's lake and uses the common electricity so the machine can think. Maintenance costs grow faster than the machine learns to tell grain from stones. The size of the machine increases faster than its grain-searching speed. The data wall and the illusion of exit. The machine learns to collect grain by watching the chickens, but the AI gatherer has already studied every chicken in the world. Very soon, the information for training will run out. The entire chicken internet has already been drained. The inventor says, "No problem, the AI will learn from itself." The machine starts consuming data created by another AI. In science, this is called model collapse. The machine starts getting dumber, producing errors and hallucinations, eating its own digital trash. Then the rooster says the AI will learn by interacting with the world, but the AI gatherer is not yet developed enough for that. Because of the hype around the machine, a financial bubble is inflating. Market correction and the crash of zombie companies. A bubble cannot grow forever. One day, investors will realize trillions of dollars have been spent, but the revenue is less than 1%. They will stop lending money. Because of this, 90% of young AI startups will disappear instantly, as profit doesn't justify the costs. Chickens who paid all their money for shares in these companies will be left naked on the street. Only the Magnificent Seven will survive, the oldest and fattest roosters. They have mountains of real cash and their own sources of income, ads, clouds, sales, which feed them while the AI is still developing. The AI gatherer itself will not disappear. It will become an expensive and ruthless tool of influence for the giants over the ordinary chickens. Final, exit strategy. The inventor rooster is a calculating strategist. He promised the chickens freedom, but instead he drained their resources and secured himself a golden balloon. When the bubble bursts, he will calmly fly away to his reserves. The technology will remain, but all the wealth of the chicken coop will be taken by those who own the water, the light, and the land. The rooster didn't lose. He just used the chicken's money to get real capital. Conclusion: act like the inventor rooster. Be like the rooster. Keep real money in different places, not on paper. Do not exchange real money for promises from a metal box. Prices only rise because rich companies move money from one pocket to another. The hype around artificial brains may soon lose its value. Invest in hardware and the power outlet. If the situation is unpredictable, create a safety net. If a business doesn't make a profit on its own, no robot can save it. Don't attach a jet engine to a leaky boat. It'll just go to the bottom faster. The person who owns the resources will always have money, and your brain remains your main asset. Don't be a chicken waiting for a miracle. Be the rooster who controls reality. Think with your head, not your beak, before it's still yours. Subscribe and upgrade your brain.